Hey, it's David here, CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. My question for you today is, what are you allowing other people to push you towards? Agendas, other people's agendas. You know, in so much of life, who we become, what we decide to do is almost predicated based on other people's societies, parents, teachers, industry, government agendas. Yeah, we kind of get boxed in, right? You're told you're good at this, or you're not good at that, or you should do this, or you've got the ability to do that. And so we follow these pathways in life. And the further we go down the road, it seems like the narrower the guideposts get to be. And we almost get constrained to where any kind of creativity, imagination, dreaming gets taken away. And my tip for you today is you can't let that happen. In fact, I'm giving you permission today to opt out. I'll say I'm giving you permission today to opt out. Opt out of the other agendas. Don't follow the majority. Be a contrarian. Be different. Take your own path in life. Not easy to do, but I'm going to tell you something. If you'll do that, if you take that construct that you can choose to live your life amidst all the other craziness that's out there today, and it is crazy out there. It's a different world, and everybody's telling you what to do, what you can do, what you can't do, what you should do, what you should do. I say stop it. Stop the insanity and follow your own path. Now, don't do it solo. Don't do it in a vacuum. Yes, you need some context, but what you take in, what you read, listen to, hear, be very, very careful of that, because if you listen to too much mainstream stuff out there, it's going to bias your brain in a bad way. So you've got to keep some other objectivity. So be sure you are around other people you know, like, and trust who can give you that objectivity. We all need it because the world is full of information that they want us to take in here and believe. And if we take those beliefs in, it limits our ability to be free, be creative, be really the impactful people we were meant to be. So my tip again is opt out of so much of the junk out there today and follow your own path, your own instincts, but do it with other people. That's going to get you to freedom faster than anything else. So stay focused on your freedom, and I'll see you next time.